G'day and welcome to www.toyotacamroad.com.au. My name is Paul Stevens. Let's have a chat about what you get when you purchase one of our Camroads. Now, these are all the things that are included on every single purchase that we sell here at our dealership. First and foremost, you get a Toyota. Yes, it's right at the very front, the best engine on the planet. Whether it's a petrol or whether it's a diesel, it's a Toyota. Second thing you get as standard, it's an automatic with overdrive. Now, we've spent our lives, if we're in the older category like me, we don't want to drive manuals, we're not interested in changing gears, we want to sit back, we want to relax. I present you with the automatic with overdrive with our Camroads. Also too, with every single Camroad that we sell, you get interiors that are amazing. You will get house batteries. You will get solar systems. You will get showers and toilets. Now, I'm not talking about one of these. Ugh, yuck. You know what? If you've got one of these, you might as well use one of these. I mean, that's disgusting. And you've paid a lot of money for your motorhome. Why would you want one of these portable toilets in it? That's just silly. Every one of our Toyota Camroads is fully complied. National ADR, Australian design rules, we take care of it all. There's nothing that you need to do when you take delivery of one of our Toyota Camroads. If you don't live on the Gold Coast or even Queensland for that matter, hey, guess what? We will deliver the Camroads to you. You can go to our website and you can find out all the prices and all the destinations. It's pretty easy. Every one of our Toyota Camroads also comes with cooking facilities. We will not sell you something that does not have a cooktop in it. Why would we? Why would we even think that if you're going to spend this amount of money on a motorhome and not have an installed cooktop? You get that with us, no problems at all. Also, with every single Toyota Camroad that we sell, we will give you a brand new TV. Not a second handy, nope. Brand new TV, proper aerial, all ready for you to go. Rock and roll. We'll also give you a reversing camera with every single unit that we sell. Some of our units have that amazing air conditioning unit that operates under the battery management system. It is wild. You don't need to be plugged in at 240 volt power. So while the rest of everybody else is cooking in the heat in your campgrounds, you're sitting there cool as a cucumber. Now, another thing is with every single Toyota Camroad that we sell at our dealership, you will get 5 years national warranty. I'm not talking about 1 year. That's just being cheap and nasty. Come on, care about your customers. I'm not talking about 3 years. Nah, be serious. You're spending a lot of money on these motorhomes. We will give you 5 years. And it's a national warranty. You don't need to bring the vehicle back to us. You can get it serviced anywhere in the country and the warranty company will come to the party. There are so many more inclusions that we give with every single Toyota Camroad that we sell from our dealership. The list is very long. You can go to our website at www.toyotacamroad.com.au to read that list. What else can we possibly do for you? Give me a call, 0499 846 273. That's my direct phone number. And tell me, what do you want? You never know. All you've got to do is ask. If you want to come down and visit our dealership, we are located at 170 Brisbane Road, Arundel. We're on the Gold Coast. We're right opposite Harbour Town Shopping Centre. You can't miss us. Remember, go to our website, www.toyotacamroad.com.au. Take care of yourselves.